In this video, I will show you how you can improve your Shopify store speed without the need to hire any dev or change any code in your store. And it's an important thing that you must do because it improves your user's experience. Sometimes your customer has poor connection or sometimes they have a bad device. And if your website is too heavy, you're gonna give up and close your store. So let's go to the computer screen and we'll see easily how to improve your store speed. So for example, I'm here on my Shopify store. Let's suppose that I have this product here called subscribe to my channel and I have this picture here. We can realize that it is a PNG and PNG is a heavy format for your pictures. You don't want to have PNGs in your store because they make your website slower. What are the best formats for your Shopify store? WEBP is a very good one, JPEG and AVIF. These are the three best formats for the images in your Shopify store. But which one is my favorite? Which one I recommend to you? I prefer WEBP. In my opinion, it is the best one, but the other two are also very good. So what are we gonna do here? We're gonna make this PNG become a WebP, and it's very simple. By the way, if you don't have your Shopify store yet, I have a link with a discount that you're gonna get your first month for $1, and I'm gonna send you 25 professional themes for you to start with the right themes. They are paid themes that I'm giving you for free. Click on the link in the description and don't miss it. Right here on Google, we're gonna search for PNG to WebP, and we come back in our Shopify store and we download the picture. So we download the PNG, we're gonna select it, open, and convert. So what this site does, it converts PNG to WebP. After it finishes, we can download it, and now we have a WebP. Now we're gonna come back to our Shopify account, we add the picture, we remove our PNG, and only keep our WebP. And by doing that with all your products, change every single image that you have on your products, it will help you improve a lot your page speed. Then subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos, and don't forget to check the link in the description and get your Shopify account for $1 in the first month, 25 paid professional themes for free. See you in the next video.